If you're searching for the ultimate combination of style, innovation, and comfort in a pair of wireless headphones, the Sanag Z60S is ready to deliver far beyond expectations. These aren't your average earbuds. The Z60S redefines the listening experience with an ergonomic design, next-gen Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, and premium sound tailored for life on the move. Engineered with a smart U-shaped ear clip design, these headphones embrace your ears with a secure 5-point fit, ensuring long-lasting comfort and zero-pressure fatigue. The air conduction technology keeps your ears open to the environment, making them ideal for outdoor runs, cycling, or commuting. Stay aware, stay safe. At the heart of the Z60S lies a 12mm dual composite diaphragm that produces stunning audio fidelity. Whether you're grooving to your favorite playlist or getting in the zone during a workout, the powerful bass boost ensures a deep, resonant experience that rivals far larger headsets. Every beat feels full, every note distinct. Take calls in bustling streets or windy parks with absolute confidence. Equipped with AI noise cancellation and a wind-resistant microphone, the Z60S offers crystal clear voice clarity, filtering out environmental noise and focusing solely on your voice. It's like having a personal sound booth in your ear.